We're asked to find the difference. We have negative 57 minus negative 28. To find this difference, we'll write the difference as a sum and then find the sum. We can write the difference as a sum because subtracting an integer is the same as adding the opposite. Notice that subtracting negative b is the same as adding positive b, and therefore subtracting negative 28 is the same as adding positive 28. So negative 57 minus negative 28 is equal to negative 57 plus 28. Looking at this sum, we should recognize that the negative 57 is going to outweigh the positive 28, and therefore this sum will be negative. To find the sum, we'll use the formal rules for adding integers with different signs, and then we'll also show the sum on the number line. So looking at our rules below, the first step is to find the absolute value of both integers. So the absolute value of negative 57 equals positive 57, and the absolute value of positive 28 is equal to positive 28. Remember, absolute value is a number's distance from 0. Absolute value is always positive. Step 2, we subtract the smaller value from the larger value. So we have 57 minus 28. We need to perform an exchange before subtracting here. The 5 changes to a 4. Now we have 17 ones. 17 minus 8 is 9. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So this difference is 29, but we still need to determine the sign of the sum. The sign of the sum is the original sign of the number with the larger absolute value. So because negative 57 has the larger absolute value, the sum is negative 29. Negative 57 plus 28 equals negative 29, and so does negative 57 minus negative 28. To show this sum on the number line, we first model negative 57 by starting at 0 and moving left 57 units to negative 57. Then because we're adding positive 28 from here, we move right 28 units. If we move right 28 units, it takes us to negative 29. Negative 57 plus 28 equals negative 29, and so does negative 57 minus negative 28. I hope you found this helpful.